Hello, my name's Sharon Luther. I'm the Sustainability Manager here at Merseyside Police. I'm also the Chair of the National Emergency Services Group Sustainability Charter Development. The Charter was developed couple of years ago now, and it was born out of a need for a national, consistent, strategic direction on sustainability within emergency service organisations. It's an excellent example of collaborative working between fire, ambulance and police organisations. It takes the 3Ps, which are now embedded within those organisations, and uses these as a standard template for which organisations can develop their own sustainability strategies, plans and their own policies. The 3Ps of sustainability link to the people, the planet and the public purse, and these are linked to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and it was felt really important that these are equally weighted within the Charter. So the people, which is the social element, the planet, which is the environmental element, and the public purse, which is the financial element, are equally weighted and of equal importance to all the organisations which have signed up to this Charter. And we're very excited now that we have a national framework from which to work towards.
Hi, I'm Billie Heafield. I'm Head of Category for Estates and Sustainability at Blue Light Commercial, and I work for Lianne Deeming, who is CEO of Blue Light Commercial, but she's also the NPCC Sustainability Portfolio Lead. Lianne chairs the Sustainability Governance Board, which is where the national endorsement of the Charter has come from, with representatives from NPCC, APCC, College of Policing and future leaders have made the decision to endorse this Charter at a national level. And recently at the NPCC APCC Summit, that Charter was signed nationally by representatives from the national organisations to show and demonstrate that commitment to sustainability in policing. We do have some footage from that signing.
Hi and welcome to the signing of the NPCC APCC Charter. I'm Lianne Deeming, I'm the CEO of Blue Light Commercial, and today we are signing a charter on behalf of all forces across England and Wales. This charter has been set up based on the Sustainability Development Goals and looks at people, planet and the public purse. I'd like to pass over to Gavin, who will talk a little bit what it means for the NPCC.
Thanks, Lianne. I'm Gavin Stevens. I'm the Chair of National Police Chiefs Council, and this is a great thing for us to do. It's good for our people. We know that they are interested in the future sustainability of the planet and our policing operations. We often know that new recruits, that's the second thing they look at when they come to our website. Of course, it's great for the public purse, and I think in future the relationship that we have with our communities, the confidence that they put in us, will also have a bearing on our relationship and responsibility for the environment. So I'm very pleased to be signing the Charter today.
I'm Tim Passmore, the Suffolk Police and Crime Commissioner and Joint Portfolio Lead for the Environment for the Association of Police and Crime Commissioners. We are going to make our point here in policing, looking after the better use of scarce natural resources, and this Charter puts us right at the front in the public sector. Really, really important that everybody does their fair share for looking after the planet and making sure that policing moves forward with a practical solution for environmental sustainability.
Hello, I'm Joy Allen. I'm Police and Crime Commissioner for Durham and Joint Lead for Portfolio for Environmental Sustainability, and also Blue Light Commercial Chair. Really proud of this day. As I say, unity is strength, and this is a fantastic opportunity from all of our forces who are absolutely committed to this agenda and for driving us towards Vision Zero. It commits us to sustainability and environment and really puts us on the map, collectively working together to make a better environment.
So I think the national signing of this charter by policing leaders really demonstrates that commitment to sustainability in policing. And what I find particularly positive is that it focuses not only on the environmental side, but also the social and economic impacts of policing, and helps to give a holistic and strategic approach to sustainable delivery across people, planet and public purse. And in fact, within Blue Light Commercial, we use the Charter as the framework when developing our responsible procurement and commissioning strategy, and just shows the process that can be gone through when reviewing how we can contribute to the commitments within the National Charter, within the actions that we take within the individual police forces. And the Charter will help to give direction to forces and areas of focus for those that are early on in their sustainability journey, but will also reaffirm the work that's already been undertaken within policing. And we've got several great examples of some of the work that is ongoing across police forces. Gloucestershire Constabulary is a great example of this. They've recently developed a decarbonisation strategy, looking at the use of various technologies to assist with the reduction of their carbon footprint. And that includes things such as heat pumps, solar panels and EV charging infrastructure. They've actually secured funding from the Public Sector Decarbonisation Scheme and awarded a contract to look at decarbonising 3 of their key sites to ensure carbon savings and energy efficiency. So they've replaced their outdated fuel boilers with air source heat pumps, and the project itself is actually expected to deliver 230 tonnes of carbon footprint reduction, which is fantastic. But the reason I particularly like that example is that social value was a key focus in that project. So they were looking at benefits within local businesses, and I think it was over 95% of the contractors' workforce was actually based in the Gloucestershire area. So again, coming back to the Charter, it demonstrates not only that impact on the planet, but also on people in the public purse as well. And we've seen this across policing in relation to initiatives on equality and diversity, staff wellbeing, recycling schemes. And police are actually starting to get recognised for their works in this area. Most recently, Avon and Somerset Police have won the Public Sector Car Fleet of the Year award at the Green Fleet Awards within December, and that was recognising really the great progress they've made so far towards a zero emission fleet. And over the past couple of years, they've really taken a proactive and data-led approach to piloting battery electric vehicles within various roles. So already they're operating over 70 battery electric vehicles within their fleet, which covers a variety of roles from response cars to forensic vans and general purpose vehicles, with plans to introduce a further 30 vehicles in 2025, and already adding to quite a diverse fleet of hybrid vehicles and electric bikes. I think the reason for giving these examples is that recognition that forces are already having at a local and national level from the work undertaken is fantastic, and is a place we'd really like to get to with the Charter, which is having forces feedback and report on the work that they're doing that meets the commitments within the Charter, which will then allow us to share lessons learned between police forces and replicate positive action across the different areas of policing. So yes, it's fantastic news and update that we've got the Charter signed off at a national level, but we also have the opportunity to forces to sign up to this individually to show their own individual force commitment. So it'd be great if we could have forces to start doing that as we move into 2025 to demonstrate the commitments of policing towards sustainable development goals.